start a hair business with $0. Do you believe it? I'm Mama, the sales manager of K Hair Factory. I have been working in this field for 8 years, so that's why I have witnessed so many of my customers turning from freaking broke to the really rich one. So that's why I'm here today to share with you some tips to open your hair market with a really low budget. But first of all, I want to emphasize that this process requires a lot of time and effort. So if you do not have enough persistence, enough passion and enough effort, I'm really sorry that open the hair market is not for you. First of all, you need to become an expert of the hair market. The customer cannot buy hair from you if you do not know anything about hair. For example, you cannot distinguish between the Burmese hair or the non-Burmese hair. For example, you cannot distinguish what type of glaze, what type of closure and frontal. So make sure that you do a lot of research. You need to invest not only money but also invest in learning. So if you do not anything or you are so confused about anything, you can ask your supplier or you can ask me. The second one is understanding your customer. You need to do a lot of research on the demand of your customer. You cannot sell the hair in pink or black or white because that they are your favorite colors. No, you need to do a lot of research on that. I also stick the link of the trending hair in Nigerian market here that you can check it out and make sure that you know your customer really well. Alright, so the third tip that helps you to be successful if you are just a newbie in the hair market is that you need to find the right supplier. I need to say that it really takes time and it requires a lot of effort. So if there are somebody out there told you that you can open the hair market with $0 and zero effort, they were lying actually. So you need to pay a lot of time to read a lot of feedbacks of them on the internet and spend some money to buy the sample order. But you need to pay attention that you need to buy some easy to resell hair first. So for example, the bone straight hair or natural straight hair. I also pick the link of the hair that easy to resell here so that you can check it out. And the last but not least is about marketing. Marketing is the most important part in any kind of business. So make sure that you have a lot of picture and videos of your goods. You know, picture and video can make money. But the problem is you are just a newbie and you do not have enough material. So how can you get those video and pictures? So that's why you need to ask your hair supplier to give you a lot of stunning videos and pictures that you can repost it. But I need to say that please pay attention to that because you need to use this picture properly because it is copyright, right? And one small tip I want to share with you is that our factory give you like the big discount from $300 to $400 for the wholesale order. So if you order the bigger order, so you can get this discount as your profits. Alright, so at the end of the day, I just want to say that open the new hair business is not the easy game. So I hope that you guys can run it successfully, and if you have any question or anything that you're still confused about, you can contact me via WhatsApp that I can answer you immediately. Thank you for watching.